What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unbox from Green Tools NYC. If you don't know who the hell it is, then just shut the fuck up and get the hell out of here. This crazy son of a bitch sent me a big ass box. Look at that. 13 pounds. I put on the scale. This shit is actually 15 pounds and it is fucking heavy. So without further dudes, let's open it. I don't know if the post office opened this one like they did the last one. Maybe Green can tell. It does look like they reinforced it, so we'll see. Hopefully this thing picks up everything. Uh-oh, what the fuck? Let's get that up. There we go. Crazy ass. It's badass little bag though. I like that. Put this shit over my head. I can carry all my shit in. Look at that. That's a big ass bag. Put the box in this bag. That's dope. Thank you. I'm sure it'll get used. My wife will probably steal it. Good God. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Oh fuck. Whew. Let's start over here. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. This is gonna be scary. Oh shit. What the fuck? Holy shit, dude. Really? Who needs keys? Who wants keys? Who wants keys? I'm fucking key master now. Green ain't got shit. Uh-oh, we don't even know. We don't even know we're gonna have to pick this one. That's gonna be fun. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. Sweet. None of these little mailbox locks. These are cool. There we go. That's better. Fuck, dude. This is insane. You're oh, this is crazy. Oh, sweet. I don't have one of these. The follower. That's dope. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jesus Christ. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fucking locks. Oh, and another mailbox lock with the bracket. That's dope. That's dope. I can put that shit on my toolbox. This is actually one of the first ones I broke to pick, and I don't even know, dude. I picked up the box. Oh, that was loose in there. Dropping keys. I picked up the box. They screw you, and all you hear is that is a. I said I wanted keys. That's a lot. That's a lot of fucking keys. Oh my God. I can't even. Oh, you're fucking crazy. Look at that. I think this is that standard that he was fucking with last week. That she got a little hiccup in it. That'll be fun to pick. Jesus, dude. And a virgin medical. Or challenge, anyways. It's not cutaway. That's just nuts. So 3 of them have keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, do not. You're fucking crazy. No wonder this shit's 15 fucking pounds. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh. This right here is probably why I got held up. Oh, that's dope. That's so dope. If you know what this is, then you know how funny it is that he sent this. If you don't know what it is, then I'm not gonna tell you. That's fucking awesome. This shit's going on the wall. I'm gonna make a frame or something for it, and this shit's going on the fucking wall. That is dope. This is art, so fuck you. You don't know. This is awesome. This is wow. This is, oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh shit. What do you put on it? What do you put on here? Let's see, will it pick it up? Alien rare, first of many. And then he's got ninja bones across here. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. Bam. That's what's up. That is what is up. The first ever. Wow. Wow. There we go. That's awesome. Wow. Wow. That is way too cool. That's way too cool. Damn, green. Oh, and the mini one. The mini. Fucking left-handed. There we go. Wow. Damn, man. Bites. Bam. Wow. More locks. Oh, damn. My first multi. Wow. Oh, what? Dude. Wow. This fucking pick is famous. I don't give a fuck. This bitch is famous Amos. The little sheet that he made for it. That's funny. That's dope. Bam. Oh, this thing. God, man, the amount of locks that this little pick has seen is insane. Wow. Let's see. Let's see if I can hit it. No. I can't get enough tension pulling on it. Wow. Got a couple of them set. This is, wow. This is too much. This is fucking cool. This is really, really cool. Wow. key mark. It's got the little thing on the back. Tailpiece. What else did he throw in here? Oh wow. Damn. It's gonna take a minute to get the tape off. Yeah. I think this is, I don't know if it is or not. It looks dirty used, but I don't know why he taped it to keep the shit out of it, or if it's never been used. It looks like it's just been sitting in a gutter box somewhere. Oh yeah, look how dirty that is. Look at that. New York dirt. Oh, it smells like New York. You can smell it. Damn. 3, 4 fucking Medicos now? Wow. Why not that? Yeah. The other one. That's, man, dude. I fucking speechless, dude. Like, this is fucking insane. Wow. Okay, let's move these. There we go.